Here we are, your classic black. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Kind of simple in a way and stuff. 1957. And the other one is the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Cool.
That was the 57.
That's the 57?
Yeah, they got it backwards.
Aha. Okay, so the 55 will be the black one. Cool. Classic black, kind of simple. Yay! And here you have the 1957. That beautiful red. I don't know. Red is such a hot thing. All old ladies should have a red car when they get old. They should. I feel like I should have a red one. Give me back my youth. You know how men, they usually trade us women in for younger ones, you know, to regain their youth. Well, we women ought to all have a red car. Okay. So if any of you agree on that, let me know. Then if you want to get me a red car, I'll take it. I'm 57, so it's time for me to have it. Oh, just joking around with you guys. All right, bye-bye.